If you love saving money but hate complicated offers, then buckle up. We've got news just for you. Depending on your time zone, good morning, afternoon, or evening from your computer needs of Toledo, LLC. Let's dive into the August update. First up, remember those amazing discounts we offered earlier? They're sticking around for August and September. That's right. More time to save on all your computer needs. Need personalized training? We've got you covered. From individuals to large groups, companies to nonprofits, academia to faith-based organizations. Final price adjustments are being made as we speak, and they'll be available later today. Yes, even for self-paced computer training and consulting. Have questions? Call or text to 419-304-4564 or head to the contact link of yourcomputerneeds.net. Again, that's 419-304-4564 or yourcomputerneeds.net/contact. Stay tuned from Your Computer Needs of Toledo, LLC. Get ready, everyone. More great news is on the way.